Alright, let's check the weight of the Tomei. First one is the muffler. And it's 2.5 kilograms. Okay, the other muffler should weigh exactly the same. Let's check it out. Yep. Weighs 2.5 kilograms. So this is a total of 5 kilograms. Okay, now the mid muffler. And it weighs 2.1 kilograms. Okay, next piece is the connector pipe. This thing is crazy light. Wow, under 1 kilogram. How do I weight that? It's too light. Nope, under 1 kilograms. So maybe I should weight this together with the hangers. Okay, now the hangers also under 1 kilogram. So let's add the connector pipe. What the fuck? It's too light. Okay, I tried to weight the hangers, all the hardware that comes with, and the connector pipe, and it's under 1 kilogram. You can lift this with your dick. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, okay, let's say 1 kilogram. What the fuck? I add some pressure with my hands. But if I release the pressure, it's under 1 kilogram. And the minimum you can weight with this is 1 kilogram. So, nope, it's too light to weight this. 3.9 kilogram. And the hangers together with the muffler, 3 kilogram. Okay, that's a total weight of 3.9 kilograms plus 3 kilograms. Plus 2.1 kilograms is 9 kilograms. Plus this hardware pieces. Tomei said in their specs the complete exhaust weigh 10.2 kilograms. So should be correct. About 10 kilograms. It's true.